Hello, gardeners. Got a small space, but big dreams of growing your own zucchini? No worries, zucchini can thrive in containers. Let's dive into how you can grow healthy zucchini in containers for a bountiful harvest. First things first, container size. You'll need a container that's at least 5 gallons. This gives the roots plenty of room to grow and avoids overcrowding. And don't forget those drainage holes. They're crucial to prevent water buildup and root rot. Next up, soil and planting. Fill your container with a high-quality potting mix. Nutrient-rich and well-draining is the way to go. Add a bit of compost or a balanced, slow-release fertilizer for a nutrient boost. This mix will keep your zucchini happy and growing strong all season long. Now, let's talk watering. Keeping the soil consistently moist is key, especially on hot days. Containers can dry out quickly, so check your plants daily and water as needed. The goal is even moisture, not too wet, not too dry. And there you have it. Growing zucchini in containers is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh produce, even if you're short on space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.